In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion list view if you want a simple, clean way to organize items like tasks, ideas, or notes. The list view is a great choice because it keeps everything compact and easy to scan while still letting you track important details. Let's start by heading to notion.com, click login, and once you're in, go to your workspace. From there, open the page where you want to build your list, and this can be any page where you'd like to keep a lightweight database. On that page, press the / key on your keyboard, then type the word list. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click list view. Notion will prompt you to enter a name for this new list view. Give it a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple views on the same page. Now let's add your first item. Click new and you'll see a right panel open. This is where you add details to your item. Start with a name that clearly states what the item is, then add tags to group similar items or to indicate status, priority, or category. You can also add a property. Properties are the structured fields that store extra information like a date, an owner, a checkbox, a number, or anything else you need to track. Choose properties that match your workflow so your list stays useful and consistent. Below those fields, you'll find a space for comments. Use comments to capture quick notes, context, or discussions, so everything related to that item stays in one place. There's also room to add more information down here. This is perfect for details that don't need their own property, like a brief description, steps to follow, or reference links. If you ever want to delete an item, right-click the property name associated with that item and click delete. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click delete to finalize. Take a moment to make sure you're removing the correct item, since deletions can't always be undone. If you decide the entire list view is no longer needed, you can remove it too. Click the 6-dot icon next to the view's name, then click delete. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click delete to confirm. This only removes the view, not your entire page. That's it for the basics of the Notion list view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.